Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is me Amisha Pradeep here, and today I'm back with another experiment. I'm going to be doing an experiment called ice bubbles. So let's get started. So the material required for this experiment are colored ice cubes. We can use blue color. Then we need vegetable oil, a glass, and we also need some tap water which is slightly hot. Then we can also use some gloves to keep our hands safe from the colored ice cubes.
Okay friends, so now I have the glass and have 2/3 of vegetable oil. Now I'm going to pour it into the glass. Now I'm going to slowly pour the slightly hot water into the glass, and the hot water should sink to the bottom. First observation: how do these two liquids behave in the vase? Do they mix together? No, water and oil are immiscible. They cannot be mixed together. Even if we force them into the same space, they remain well separated. The oil in particular is less dense than water and therefore floats on it even though we poured it in the first.
Few minutes later. Wow, that's so fascinating! What happened? The ice cube melted one drop at a time before our eyes, showing us the scene in slow motion. Watching the ice cube, you will have seen large colored bubbles break off from the bottom, sinking slowly into the oil and resting on the surface that separates the oil and the water. Fascinating, right? While the ice cube finishes melting, some of the colored bubbles will manage to make a hole in the barrier that separates the two liquids and open a passage towards the water. We will be able to see when it is happening because the water will start to change color. At the end of the experiment, all of the bubbles will have reached the water, changing the color to bright blue. Another interesting observation: why did only the water change color while the oil stayed the same? When the colored water bubbles detached from the ice cube, they crossed through a long layer of oil, bringing a bit of it with them. Upon reaching the separation line between the two liquids, the droplet stopped for just enough time to get rid of the unpleasant guest, the oil, after which it could join the water below, bringing the color with it. Colored water is actually still water and does not want to have anything to do with oil.
Okay friends, so I hope you enjoyed this simple experiment. You can also try this at home. If you like this video, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!